Hello, my name is Keja, and this is for my week 4 assignment. So for the book type, to find the frequency, I just use this formula and select all the book type, and it's the same for all of this. I just change the book type right here. For the t-shirt, I use the same formula, contif, then select from this column, everything, and so on. And for the size, I select from the size column. Okay, and this is what I get, the chart. Okay, next I'm going to select data analysis, descriptive statistic, output range. For the input range, yep, this is correct. Output, yeah, let's choose that. Then summary statistic. Okay. Okay, this is the result. Okay. Yep. And then next, I'm going to make the histogram. Click data analysis, histogram. Okay. Input range is the same. Select, select everything. Input range. Output range. Just right here. And then click chart output. Okay. Okay, so this is the result. So this is our histogram. Okay. And then next, I'm going to find the Sharpe ratio. Let me save it first. Sharpe ratio. A and for B. The formula is main. This is for A and B. The main is this one. I'm going to copy this. And mean minus 2 over standard deviation. Mean minus 2 divided by standard deviation. Standard deviation, okay. Mean divided by 2 divided by standard deviation. Okay, so this is the result for A, and for B, it's mean. Sorry. bracket mean minus 2 over standard deviation. It's this one. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to find the correlation. Just put it right here. Correlation. Let me save it first. For the correlation, it's coral. Oh, sorry. Correlation. This, select the A column, comma, the B column. And then enter. This is the correlation for this file. Okay, next I'm going to find the z-score. Oh. Okay. Z-score. I'll just pause for a moment. I'm going to type this first. Okay, so for this z-score, I get this from the table. So this is the minimum from A and maximum from B. I just take everything from the table. And then for this A minimum z-score equals to this minus mean. I have to, sorry, I have to make a bracket. Divided by standard deviation. Okay, this is the result. Oops. Okay, this one is the same, but I use the max one. Bracket max minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay. For this one is the same, but this one is for the B type. Mean minus mean divided by its standard deviation. Okay. Max minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, so this is the z-score. Let me see. Okay. And for this, it's basically the same. It's the same process. Data analysis, descriptive statistic. Okay. Column. Okay. Then summary statistics. Yeah. Okay. This is what I got. Next, for the histogram, the same as earlier, as the previous one. Select everything. Yep, okay. This is the histogram. Yep. Next, going to find the Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio for A and for B. Sharpe ratio for A is mean divide minus 2. Forget the bracket. Mean minus 2 divided by standard deviation. Okay. This is column A. This is B. It's the same bracket. Mean minus 2 divided by standard deviation. Okay. Then find its correlation. Okay, the correlation. Oh. Use Corel. This column. Comma, this column. And then, okay. And this is the correlation. Next is the z-score. I'll just copy this chart. Z-score. Okay. Minimum is this one, 75. Maximum, mean, standard deviation. Yeah. And then minimum is this one. Maximum, mean, and standard deviation. Okay. Next, to find the minimum z score equals to minimum bracket first, minimum minus mean, close the bracket, divided by standard deviation. Okay. Next is the same. Bracket max minus mean, close the bracket, divided by standard deviation. And then for B minimum, forget the bracket again. Minus standard deviation, close the bracket, divided by, I mean, divided by standard deviation. Maximum minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, so this is the result. So this is complete for the life obesity, firm, and t-shirt and book type. I just want to edit this out later. I'm going to stop the recording first, then I'll edit the table. Stop.